Here we have another specimen of Mulloidichthys flavolineatus from Port Sudan, Red Sea. In this specimen, the first tiny spine of the dorsal fin can be relatively well recognized, so it's well detectable, in fact. Something which is very typical for the populations of these species in the remaining Indian Ocean and Pacific, also typical for, in fact, all other species of the genus Mulloidichthys, and typical also for several species of the genus Eupeneus. In the genus Parupeneus it's even larger. So let us have a look if we can detect it here, this tiny spine. We have to remove some of the scales close to the anterior basis of the dorsal fin, which is here. And then we try here to detect this spine. The easiest is with a needle. We try to touch this anterior basis of the dorsal fin, and if something moves, then it might be this spine. And in fact, it's nicely moving here. I touch it now and it can be lifted a little bit. So like any other spine, it's just much shorter, maybe about 2 millimeters in length, in height. Still having a tip also, and clearly separated from the second dorsal fin spine in this case. So here it's a very clearly developed tiny first dorsal fin spine.